Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Age of Empires. To begin, select a civilization, each offering distinct advantages. Your first task is to gather essential resources such as food, wood, and gold. Construct a town center and several houses to increase your population limit. Continuously train villagers. They are crucial for collecting resources and building structures, forming the backbone of your early game economy and expansion efforts. A robust economy is vital for success. Focus on balancing your resource collection to ensure a smooth progression through the ages. Establish numerous farms and lumber camps to maintain a consistent flow of food and wood. Remember to research economic upgrades at your mill and lumber camp, which significantly boost gathering rates. Expanding your territory by constructing additional town centers will further accelerate your resource generation and villager production. Once your economy is stable, it is time to build your military. Construct barracks, archery ranges, and stables to train a variety of units. Visit the blacksmith to research crucial upgrades that enhance your unit's attack and defense capabilities. Aim for a balanced army, combining infantry, archers, and cavalry to counter different enemy types. Don't forget to fortify your base with walls and defensive towers to repel incoming assaults effectively. The game progresses through 4 distinct ages: Dark, Feudal, Castle, and Imperial. Each advancement unlocks powerful new technologies, units, and buildings, significantly expanding your strategic options. Victory can be achieved in several ways, such as defeating all opponents militarily or constructing and defending a magnificent wonder. Always adapt your strategy, considering both your chosen civilization's strengths and your opponent's tactics, to secure your triumph.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.